This video is going to help with setting up for our services. So the first thing you want to do is go to OrderEm.com. Once you get there, in the top right corner, you'll select Sign Up. If you're a Clover merchant, you'll go ahead and click on the word OrderEm Online Ordering App, and it'll redirect you to the Clover website to go ahead and do all the installation and setting up. Going back to our page, if you are not a merchant or a Clover merchant, you just go ahead and fill in this information. So first thing you want to do is select what kind of business you are. In this case, I'll just use restaurant, the name of the business. And then it's going to ask if you're referred by anybody. You can just put none. And then you go ahead and hit create account. Once you do that, you'll look through the products that we offer as far as website ordering, Facebook ordering, custom mobile app, and then no order fee app and web ordering, just with unlimited orders. Once you go ahead and select which one you'd like, you just go ahead and add it to the cart, and you'll go ahead and hit select checkout. Once you're here, your information is already there, and you select credit card or ACH bank account, whichever one you prefer. And then for the reoccurring payment, we will store your card information so that way the payment can process on its own. And then once you put in your information, go ahead and hit place order now. And then with the email and the password that you created during the setup, you can go to OrderEm.com and start working on your account. Hope that helps.